Okay, this is a quick overview of the MC2 control board that's fitted to all Formula and Genesis compressors. It's quite intuitive actually, it's quite easy to use. So let's just start with this. So the machine off, you can see that 10 bar, 9 bar minimum, so sort of repump. State is automatic, so it's basically stop start. Controls local, you can have a remote control as well. Obviously the machine is off at the moment. Total hours on this machine is 48,000. It's only been on load over 7,000 hours, and it also times for the time for maintenance. So the oil separator 934 hours, dry filters 934 hours. You can come out the menu simply by pushing escape. If you want to get further into the menu, then you use this arrow here. That tells you maintenance by pushing it again. Time of service, push it again, it shows you again all the relevant information. You've got component life, tells you again air filter, oil filter, etc. Push escape. Component replacement, arrow again, air filter. So we've done all this, so we can push it up. Arrow, preferred replacement, okay, operation complete. For the individual components, you actually need to go back into it. So we've done the oil filter, okay, arrow again, air filter, oil filter, oil we've done, arrow, okay, again, in fact we've done everything on this, so separator, okay, and we've done the dry filters, just the main components. Okay, again we do running hours, and come out the menu, you push escape. Right, general settings, down arrow. You can change the language, you can change the measure units, so you know bar or PSI. You can change the date and time. You can change the display. You can also have it continuous or stop-start mode. And this is for remote control. Escape there, go down to operating parameters, pressure settings. These should be just changed. The top pressure can't be changed really, depending on your machine. So 10 bar machine is 10 bar. You can change the minimum though by pushing the arrow. Timings. This is a run-on timer before it stops. This can be changed by using the plus or minus. It's a minimum of 2. You can take it all up. You can set it back down to 2. It's the minimum. Arrow. Push that into again. We've also then got the drain, which empties the water out of the tank. The duration. So we've set this for 3 seconds. And how often it comes on. Programming, you can enter this to actually do daily or weekly, so it start up automatically. Diagnostics is quite handy, so we push in this, so it's test, error messages, arrow, run test, okay. Arrow again, emergency okay. Down, space sequence okay, overpressure okay, motor overload okay, remote control okay, unload control okay, air filter clogged okay. That's just free input. Line, it's going to do the line contactor. You can hear that click in, if you can't see it. Star delta, you probably hear clicked in. Delta contactor. Inlet valve. Fan. This cooling fan. Hear that coming in. That's the drain. The alarms that you might connected to the board. Motor is on. And check for rotation. It's okay. All complete. You could also go into error messages. This was a power supply on that particular date, or it might have been that someone's pushed the emergency stop button, which is simulate the same thing. Push the escape again. Escape all the time, and it will take you back to start. Now this will tell you if there's some faults. So what we're going to do here is disconnect the pressure transducer, which tells you what pressure's got up to. You see there, press transducer error block. So that's failed according to the board. We'll reconnect it. Block, go to reset. Also it will display things like over temperature, motor overload, so it's quite an intuitive controller. Gives you some idea of the faults and where to start. I hope this has been of use to you. Thank you.